This is Media City. Welcome to Top 5 Hours. Heavy rains lashing Mumbai overnight led to waterlogging in many parts of the metropolis on Wednesday, prompting disruptions of road and rail traffic, officials said. Rains across the Iron City and western suburbs picked up late on Tuesday evening. There were intense spells across Mumbai for a few hours overnight, an official said. On Wednesday morning, public transport services were hit and normal life affected in the financial capital due to heavy downpour and waterlogging. Several streets and low-lying areas were waterlogged due to overnight rains, and the road traffic was also badly hit, a civic official said. Some vehicles broke down in the water, affecting the traffic movement, he added. Reliance Industries on Wednesday said global investment firm KKR will invest Rs 5,550 crore in its subsidiary Reliance Retail Ventures Limited to pick 1.28% equity stake. This investment values Reliance Retail at a pre-money equity value of Rs 4.21 lakh crore. This marks the second investment by KKR in a subsidiary of Reliance Industries, following as Rs 11,367 crore investment in Jio Platforms announced earlier this year, Reliance Industries said in a statement. The monsoon session, which began on September 14, witnessed passage of several bills by the Lok Sabha, including those which sought to replace the ordinance issued recently. The monsoon session is scheduled to end on October 1. On Tuesday, opposition parties including the Congress and the TMC boycotted the Lok Sabha session as a solidarity with the 8 Rajya Sabha members who were suspended for unruly behavior. Both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were not left with any option but to hurriedly pass important bills in Parliament. Former England batsman Kevin Pietersen said he did not buy into MS Dhoni's defense of his approach to bat at number 7 and tried a few different things during Chennai Super Kings' 16-run defeat to Rajasthan Royals in their Indian Premier League 2020 meeting on Tuesday in Sharjah. India's COVID-19 case load went past 56 lakh with 83,347 infections being reported in a day, while over 45 lakh people have recuperated, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on the Wednesday. The national recovery rate stands at 81.25%. The coronavirus case load surged to 56,46,010, while the death toll climbed to 90,020 with 1,085 people succumbing to the disease in a span of 24 hours. The data updated at 8 a.m. showed the total recoveries have surged to 45,87,613 in the country so far. Let's wind up for the day. This is Media City Top 5 Hours. Thank you and have a nice day.